4 words: sour, root, sure, poor. What you need to do is find the code for the word sort. You also have 3 codes there: 5332, 2356, 4156. What you're going to do is essentially a process of elimination. Okay, so you have to find the correct word which matches with a code, yeah, and then you are going to find sort using that code. So 2 steps here, but you can also try a process of elimination in the first step. So let's see what we can come up with. Let's have a look. Get your answers in the chat, please, when you can. So what we need to do is, first of all, and this is the first step, is establish where you have 2 letters. So then you can see, right, the only possible option for root is 5332, right? So 3 must be O. That's the first thing we're going to work out. If we see any double letters, boom, we already know what that one is. Okay, so root 5332. So R is 5, right? O is 3, T is 2. Okay, so therefore, using that knowledge, what we can say is if T is 2, then Tor must be 2, 3, 5, 6. O is 3, R is 5, and we already know that to be correct. Therefore, we've now learned that E equals 6. So let's apply that last one. If E is 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, R is 5, okay, that works. S and U we don't have yet, so now we know S and U are 4 and 1. So if we apply that, then we have the code that you guys have given me there, which is great. So we have S being 4, we have O being 3, we have R being 5, and we have T being 2. So 4, 3, 5, 2 is our code. So